Alright, so we may have video, you know, a fish market with them and I buy parrot fish, you know, Jamaican fish market. Yeah, it's a Portmore, Jamaica. Portmore this, right? Yeah, Portmore, Jamaica. So we're at the fish market and buy some parrot fish. So if the lady has scale them, you know. Yeah, so she'll fix them up right. Yeah, she's ready for the thing. So, yeah man, it's up on the bike road, fish market. So, parrot fish. Yeah man, fresh fish. Let's see what I'm saying. Fish. Fried, ready to eat. Simple. Let's go to the fish market, get some fresh fish, get them scales, go home. Hot oil, little salt and pepper, who like the salt and pepper. And that's it, fried fish. Right, mommy? Yeah, mommy say garlic and who like it pepper, you can put pepper in the oil, if you like it pepper. Alright. You hear that garlic? Where's the mommy? Garlic in the oil?
Yeah man, have a nice taste.
This is an ex-Jamaican recipe. This is fried fish. Fishes are from around the world, but I guess our fish have a little different flavors. We don't know why, but I think it's because of nature. I have no control of that. I just like it as it is. So alright, the scaling process is finished now. So that's it. You're ready to go, you know. That's a sale in the fish market. Just like that. Pay, scale, and go. The trimming up of the fish. Take them up. Preparation of fish, you know, all those things. Some people munch on them, but they don't really have no properties and no flesh. If you like this video, please leave a comment, a like, or subscribe.